Okay, trail is not a loop and there's a total of 2 miles round trip. Do not enter farm fields. All right, challenge accepted. It's rumored that there's a waterfall eventually somewhere. We'll see. Oh, look, you can use this for free. Nice. She's on the right track. Oh, look, a place to sit. Good to know. All right, this is my idea of a trail. Heck yeah. I know that this isn't beauty content, but, you know, I think it's important for you guys to see other parts of my life. Not everything is about beauty. Maybe I should have brought some water. Yes. Winding through. Look at this tree. Wild. Magical. Oh, hello. And this is why I love North Carolina.